Hello everyone, and welcome to How To. This is just going to be a really quick video to show you guys how to repair your shoes with Shoe Goo. These were like $200, and I can't afford to go buy another pair of winter hikers. I did wear them, to ride my motorcycle a little bit, so that might have contributed to some of the wear, but still, that shouldn't happen. But this video isn't about the shoe brand. This is about how to repair the shoe brand. All you want is something that you can wrap around the shoe. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking these little zip ties and I'm just kind of knotting them together. And so then the plan is I'm just gonna take, so that I can wrap this around like that, and I'll be able to hold it so that I can secure it while it dries. And then I'll cut like kind of like a little door. I can hang it back up on my shop like that, but that's, yeah, so I just made myself a little door. I'll just slide it out. Okay, so I've already cleaned the shoe. Okay, I've just got some acetone here, and I'm just gonna use this center. Okay. And you guys could you can use rubbing alcohol or any type of cleaning solvent that is non-oil based to clean the area that you're gonna apply it to. Acetone, you want to be careful with it. Actually, I recommend that you wear gloves if you do use acetone. Clean the leather real good. I'll let that evaporate and dry. So one thing I'll mention is that most of you are probably using it to re-glue a sole back on. So all you do is you just do the same thing. It's just, lift the sole, separate the sole from the shoe as much as you can, clean all the dirt out, let it dry, and then clean it with some oil removing solvent, and then just do the same thing that I'm going to do right now. So if you take the cap off, see that it's sealed. Inside the cap there's a little point. You just push that on there don't squeeze your tube, just push it on there and just kind of twist it, and it'll poke a little hole in there. Then we're gonna fold this back, and all you're gonna do is I'm gonna apply in a little bit of an excessive amount. I'll put it way back up in there. Try not to get it on your hands. Again, I should have some gloves on. I'll show you guys another hack for sealing these tubes so they last forever. Because I'm just gonna take a screwdriver here and just kind of spread it around in the areas that I want it to adhere to. Oh wow, it's actually setting already. You can see I'm just kind of getting it coated real good. And there's like a little bit of a close-up so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so I got some paper. Looks like my foot is in there. And I go to strap it down. I'm gonna stick it together. And then because I want it to look halfway decent, I'm gonna moisten my finger with saliva. And I'm just gonna kind of clean this bead so it doesn't look like a big glob. I'm just trying to make it look fairly decent for hiking, and I'll clean it a little better after it's all dry. And again, like I said, when I'm all done, I can take and I'll be able to clean this up a little bit. You can wipe off any excess with acetone. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my zip tie here. I'm just going to put one right here. Put a zip tie right there. I'm gonna put another zip tie here on the front, just to clamp that seam down so that you guys can see there. It's nice and tight. And then go ahead and just clean that bead a little bit. So now you're just gonna let it dry for 24 hours and then remove your zip ties, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. But if you want to buy this exact brand, I'll link it down in the description, along with some other links in the description that might be helpful to you. Okay, it has been 24 hours and we are going to cut these pair of my bags, and you can see they don't really stick to it. You can trim it off, and it doesn't look too bad. It's really, it ain't gonna peel off like So what you can do is just take some acetone and you can just wipe off any excess. If you want it to look really pretty, you can see it's super tough. Wipe that shoe. If you wipe the ugly one enough, you can make it look smooth like this one. And here's what it looks like after it's all dry. And I just used some acetone. There was a couple lines where I had the zip ties, But what I did is I just took acetone and got the rag wet, and I just kept wiping it until it smoothed out. It turned out okay. At least I'm not gonna spend $200 on a new pair of shoes. Thanks for watching. If it was helpful, maybe consider subscribing. Take care, guys.